Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm getting ready for spring. Spring is here and I actually did this last week. But I'm just showing it to you guys today, just trying to work on this cute little floral arrangement. These picks I have in here along with some stems. I got these pastel picks from Michael's and I think you saw them all recently in a tablescape. So again, here you can see picks are pretty versatile. You know, you can move them around. You can do a lot of different things with them, which is why I like them. So I'm just shaping up this floral arrangements. I like to bend my stems and mix different types of florals just to make it look more realistic. I hope you all are doing well today. Hope you have an amazing day. And then these little stems I'm adding in. These you can't manipulate that much because the stem part is a little hard. But I thought they would look really cute in this arrangement. Isn't that pretty? I like the pastel colors. And as you can see here too, there's some pussy willow in there, and that makes this, seem even more realistic. And it just adds some visual interest to this floral arrangement. So I think we have this shaped up quite nicely now. It's pretty. So after I created this floral arrangement of tulips, roses, pussy willows, and picks, I thought to myself, well, this isn't quite enough. So let me just go ahead and add a cake tray and decorate it. So I have decorated with some items that I've had now for a couple of years, which is the wreath, these pastel eggs, and this little bedazzled Easter bunny. So I thought that would, kind of make a nice complement to the floral arrangement. And then I have my candle here. So I thought that this would be nice to have on the countertop for Easter. I don't do a whole lot of decoration for Easter. I would say that I have some touches of spring and Easter. But I thought that this was really nice. Now it kind of completes this space on the countertop. So now moving over to this mantelpiece, I decided to add a few Easter eggs up here. These are the eggs that you've seen before in previous tablescapes for the last couple of years. I got these from Home Goods and I just thought I would add some florals onto that little tray and add a little color in the florals on the vase. Okay, here moving over into the family room, I've lightened up this space here with some white pillow covers, and I still have my African mud cloth pillow covers on. And then moving over onto the top of this console, I've added some additional white florals and this greenery arrangement, which was previously mostly green. My little Hello Spring plaque and a little bunny and a little wreath underneath that bowl with the candle in it. So on consoles, when you're decorating, you want to decorate with some greenery, florals, something that you love, and then decorate in threes. And I think the something that I love on this console here would be the coffee table books and the florals. But that's the kind of the rule of thumb. Decorate your console with something that you love, some greenery, and some florals. Now over here on the mantle again, as you can see, I have, these are picks. Here's some more picks. And here are those Easter eggs, bedazzled Easter eggs. So in this area, I just kept this the same with some artichoke and some moss and a little floral picture there. And over here on my side table, I kept this the same with magnolia, that beautiful vase I got from Target some time ago before we were supposed to stop shopping at Target. And so I like the lightened look. It makes the room more springy looking, more for spring and summer with my with my white pillow covers. And then I have that little round pillow over there. And so you can see different textures on the pillows. And it's, quite nice to lighten up the space again for spring and summer. So I'm earth tones and neutral colors. That's me. And back in my dining area, I just added some bunnies to this floral arrangement of magnolias and tulips. I don't do a lot of decorating for spring, just some spring touches. Again, a nice floral arrangement with some added little bunnies. Minimally decorated for spring. And I love these florals here. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and they have long stems. At first I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but I put them in this tree that I got from QVC, and so that turned out nicely with some orbs that I got from the at-home store. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing.